Hey guys, my name is Mimi. On this channel I review the best travel packs, travel shoes, and I give you a good dose of California travel content as well. So today is very exciting. I got my Allbirds in the mail and I am ready to unbox these babies. And I don't just have one pair of Allbirds. I may have bought two. But I figure, I'll try out one pair and see how well I like them. I got the Allbirds Tree Runners and the Wool Runners. And so I wanted to try out both. I've heard the Tree Runners are a little bit more lightweight and the Wool Runners are a little warmer. They're also made from different materials. So the Wool Runners are made from merino wool and the Tree Runners are made from trees, as the name implies. Allbirds also has a very sweet and easy return policy, so I figure if worse comes to worse and I don't want to keep both pairs of shoes, then I can send one back or both back if I don't like them. So hopefully that won't happen. We'll see. Alright, so I have two pairs of Allbirds, and an interesting thing about these two pairs is that the Wool Runners I got a woman's 10, and for the Tree Runners I got a men's 8. And the reason for that is, for some reason the men's collection has way cooler colors. Allbirds, what's going on? Like, why don't the women get cool colors as well? This was especially the case for the Tree Runners. The men's collection had so many more styles to choose from and just like funkier and more color pops and that kind of thing. So I went into an Allbirds store in San Francisco because we have two here, and I did ask the guy who worked there if there's really any difference in the men's and women's style shoes, and there's no difference. So you can order a men's size if you like a men's color. Just order it whatever the equivalent is in women's sizing. So for me it was a men's 8 because I'm a women's 10. So it's usually 2 sizes down or so, or maybe a size and a half. Let's try it out and see what they look like. Luckily the packaging isn't too complicated. Did I say that? No. Oh. Yeah. We got this We Are Allbirds. I also like the packaging for Allbirds because everything came in cardboard. There's no plastic, there's no excessive packaging, it's just what you need, which is great. So they actually even have on the card inside the box about returns and exchanges and how to do that, so that is reassuring. And also how they're made. They are a very sustainable and environmentally conscious company, which I really appreciate. So if you don't know the story behind Allbirds and how they're made, I would definitely recommend going to their websites, and I will be writing a review post at some point once I have a chance to break these babies in and see what they're like. Alright, oh wow. So these are my Allbirds. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so look at how beautiful this mauve color is. They didn't have this in women's sizing. WTF. I love the coloring. I thought it was a very unique color for a shoe. And when I went to that Allbirds store in San Francisco, they did say that this was one of the most popular colors and that it sells out really quickly. There's actually a shoe insert to keep them in shape. So it says to keep these so your shoes stay nice and neat when not on your feet. If you really want to keep the shape of your Allbirds, then you can apparently keep these in your shoes when you're not wearing them. That's cool. That's cool. I like it. I'm excited to give these a go. And if you guys don't know that much about Allbirds, these shoes are meant to not be worn with socks, or you don't have to wear them with socks. So I'm interested in trying this out because I haven't really worn tennis shoes without socks before. But I've heard they're pretty magical, so we'll see. And we got the same deal. We Are Allbirds, and minimal packaging. And I got the classic dark gray for the Wool Runners. So these are my Wool Runners. So we got the Tree Runners here and the Wool Runners. So as you can see, the Tree Runners have a little bit more of a mesh material to them and they definitely feel lighter. And the Wool Runners are more solid and they just feel cozy. They feel cozy. Alright guys, that's it from me today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. And I will be seeing you very soon.